of Nigeria.
Jews, Alpha. Good evening, everybody. I agree to now. Alpha. This table come with a birthday table. Wow. Madam, what do you eat? I agree to now. No, I'm going to tell people, I like association with rich men, big boys, not poor. See, I want poor people, because the way they think, they very low. Madam, you understand what I talk. You don't say rich man. An average rich man, because they impound the teacher. If it be nature, we don't consider, I don't know. My papa has been teaching me for the past 3 days. Because see, if fellow rich man, we don't say, when last time you see the doctor, he goes, like, a while now, you know, come on, you can't live that way. Come on, go and see a doctor. Finish, that's what rich men do. Don't be poor people. Poor man, you don't feel infection. You don't get the idiot to say, this one man, this can't say, people say money they come from. And they don't get what come. Where the money won't come from? I want you to pay me about poor people to say, the worst thing about them is, you know, say, if as rain they follow, you know, the rich men, as rich men they. Both rain they follow, thunder they strike, breeze they blow, they must go look for their money. No matter how the rain they fall, when thunder they strike, they can't bring case, enter their car, they also go to their business. Not be poor people. Poor man, small breeze they blow, rain no fall, those small breeze are when I don't change, but then I say, weather for two will kill you. That's no problem I don't get about this bro. And another thing I say, there's difference between what do they call her? Security guard and wash night. Madam, difference there. Security guard, I don't know, those big estate, those estate, all of them, you say, let me analyze it. One, with uniform. You come anytime, 2 a.m. you will be there, 3 a.m. you will be there. As you just come, when you want to see somebody, the next thing your bitch says, you reside there, you say, no. Who do you want to see? You don't talk about the president. Does he know you are coming? Yes. Call him. You won't call. You won't call. Those people now won't call. Then you won't tell you say enter. That is rich men. They won't give you code. They just say password code. I love you. Or Kilimanjaro. Then they give code. We don't enter. Watch night. Now when you come Shomolu. And what did they pay me? Watch night. They always go from 60, 70 upward. $90 they be, and in only one person go they get. They got full street where get no house number 1, number 2 reach 100. And once them knock, they stay near gate. They dey 200 meters away from the gate. So you must knock. I got to know, can. You must see them from distance. They come. We touch. You go take 20 minutes to reach where you did. You come point up. Who be this? See you, see gate. If they see you, who be this? You go say, na me, who? And then face each other. You go say, elect you. Which elect you? Okay, the moment they say number 16, oh, na you. No, they come and go bring key. They go back there. Where you must start from? You know, me as I say, I love perfume. I don't joke perfume. Madam, I'm a perfume freak. That's the truth about it. Elect you. Where's elect you? I hope you are satisfied now. Let me do this. I love perfume. I don't take perfume play. Those expensive one, 100,000, 200, 150. Yes, and they use that for they say that so. But the truth is that I don't invest. I don't get the money to buy her. But they use that. Ask me say, God bless you. I always go where they sell perfume. A perfume shop. Go see that as I won't buy. Like as I come here now, I don't dress. I go to look around. That's how I you must see some girls, all those girls they say, good evening or good afternoon, sir. We have nice collection here, we give you. Sir, try this one, you will love it. Because you won't buy perfume 100,000. You know the person what you won't buy. They will give you sample. I'll give them the keep back, they'll bring another one. Try this one for businessmen. I'll give them the keep back, they'll bring another one. Try this one. Before you know, I don't like 7. Another time they use perfume, expensive perfume, like plenty for body. Once, you know, they smell well again. They smell like old motor when they don't abandon. So when I don't use and finish now, I won't run because I know they smell normal. I won't come out. They're going to ask me, sir, Please, can you pick one among what you sampled? Now, because I don't get money, and they use one pattern, I'll say, sorry, the one that actually wanted to buy it is not here. They'll say, what's the name? I'll say, it's not here. Say, can you please tell us the name? I'll say, it's not here. They'll say, sir, can you please tell us the name? Now, because I'll come find one name when it exists for perfume mystery. I'll just go, okay, because they do this, I'll say, do you have Catholic keys? Nothing like Catholic keys for perfume. Google that, you know them. So I just say, do you have Catholic? They say, sorry, we don't. What kind of name is that? They'll call the other and say, you know, so we don't have it. Please, can you pick other ones? I'll say, no, it's Catholic keys. I don't get power now because they don't get that. I'll say, please, try this one. No, Catholic keys. They will not give up. Give me paper. They will say, can you spell it here so that I can look for you in case of next time? I don't run rubbish, give them. I don't run. Now they go say I don't walk. I don't go Port Harcourt to work, Warri you work, Abuja you work, Ghana when I go about. Now I enter one in my shop, say now which I want here, and they look like this. Now everyone say now try this one. I give an innkeeper, I bring another one. Before you know, Oga don't give me like 8. Because then now which one you want, I'm not going on test. Now, because as usual, as Oga with confidence, the one way you want. What I want by you don't get that. I say, call the name. I say, you know they here. He said, call the name. I say, Oga, you don't get that. I just don't say, Oga, call the name. I just say, with confidence. I say, Oga, you get Catholic keys. I shop them and say, hey, Oga, with that Catholic keys, they bring a go. I say, I'm Catholic keys. Now I say, how I want you run now? How I want you run now? One idea going down my head. Now I say, Oga, take it. He said, wait, I said, I don't understand your Catholic keys. He said, you go and I said, the one why they use. The Catholic keys, they need for black pack. But you want to give me the red pack. He said, hey, I'm not talking. That one, the Catholic is black. He did. When that get black, they bring a go. Catholic is black. I see him, they say, ha. I go say, what's happening? How want they run now? What idea going to have? This idea that to confuse people, man. That's what I take. He said, what's happening after this? Your Catholic is now fake. He said, who tell you? I said, the Catholic is black. Why they use? The kiss. Now see the thing right now. We come out from here. But the one way you give me a straight you know I don't confuse and really short. You say, hey, I'm not talking. I don't want to give a Catholic English. The way they do a Catholic French. They bring a move. Asian, Catholic when I say I want to collect another my hand on the shake, I don't lose idea. I don't want you to talk again. People must say, nah, in case they plan about Catholic one, they don't know. Now me say I go beg, I don't plan on anything. Now window shopping I can't do it. I go first. He say, hey, nah, I know now they create it. Say you want to see me. Even me say I don't get Catholic is there, not like Catholic for people. You see that way they your back. Say, my printer office there. Other